sound in a world that's all around. Bees go zipping flower to flower, working hard hour by hour, gathering pollen sweet and gold, making honey pure and bold. Butterflies with colors bright, glide and flutter, what a sight! Yellow, red, and purple too, painting skies in every hue. In the meadow, side by side, they flit and float and loop and glide over daisies through tall grass, chasing shadows as they pass. The bees wear stripes of black and yellow, buzzing in a busy fellow, while butterflies are soft and light like feathers taking flight. Bees give flowers a gentle kiss, their buzzing wings go whiz, whiz, whiz. Butterflies rest on petals sweet, with tiny legs and dainty feet. When the sun begins to set, in colors they play their duet, bees return to hives of gold, with tales of flowers they've told. Butterflies fold wings to rest in a soft cocoon little nest, and in the morning they'll rise high to greet the dawn up in the sky. Oh, what joy it is to see buzzing bees and butterflies free, flying high in sunlit rays, bringing magic to our days.